Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Pihole, a pretty cool application we found to help us block a lot of advertisements while we're surfing the internet. From what I'm reading here, it's a pretty cool application that's easy to install, simple command line, and I'm sure followed by a wizard that will give us a couple steps and setup options. The cool thing about this is that it's advertised to improve our network performance, so I'm sure that our surfing experience will be a lot cleaner and faster instead of having to wait for all those ads to come up and pop up on us, trying to sell us something that we don't want, as usual. It looks like we're also having a cool web admin interface. Looks like there's pretty cool graphics that gives us statistics, I'm guessing. Anything that has to do with the ads that are blocked or performance or domain information that we may want to see that is being blocked by Pihole. As explained earlier, it's a pretty cool, simple installation. It's supported by the major distros, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and of course Raspberry Pi. You're also able to set this up as a DNS server, and as all free applications, you're able to donate to make this product continue evolving and evolving. You're able to donate to help improve the product, and hopefully you're able to see the install and how easy it is to set up.
Hey guys, so the environment for us to perform and install this application, we spin up a VM EXI host, and then it's running an Ubuntu 18.04. The VMware EXI version is 6.7. We've allocated 2 CPUs, and then it's running 2 gig of memory with a storage of 27.7 gigabytes.
Okay, so we're going to install Pihole on this Ubuntu VM. So all you need to do is either copy paste the command on the Pihole website, or you can type it out yourself. So this command runs through the installer. It will install the packages that's necessary to run this application for you, and will also download any other dependencies that are missing. So this is the installer for Pihole. We're going to continue here. Because Pihole is free, they do take donations for the project to continue. So little hint there for you. In this demo, we're not using a static IP address. If you're going to use this at home, it is advisable to use and set the static IP. So this is just a reminder to do so. At this point, we get to choose an upstream DNS provider. All of your clients will do name resolution against Pihole, but Pihole needs to forward and do name resolutions upstream from there. So you get to choose whether you want Google, OpenDNS, Level 3, or if you have a preferred DNS server that is not listed, you can choose custom. You can always change this after installation. And in order to block all of the ads, Pihole relies on third-party lists. All of these lists are selected automatically. If you choose not to use any specific one, you just select it and press space. That just selects the list. In this case, we're going to go with all of the lists that is provided. Okay. If you are using IPv6, you can also block IPv6. In this case, I'm going to deselect it, and we're going to continue with the install. Because this has a DHCP IP address, it's showing you, do you want to use this particular IP? In this case, I'm using 192.168.2.101/24 with a gateway with .1, which is correct. And then this is another reminder, because I am using DHCP, it's saying it can get reused and cause some conflicts. In this case, since this is a demo, we're going to proceed. Here we're going to install the web admin interface, which is necessary to view and manage Pi-hole. And obviously we need the web server to be installed, so we're going to say yes. We're going to log and keep all of the name resolution queries, so we're going to say on. Now at this point it's doing the installation of all the dependencies and all the packages. Okay, installation is complete. Here is the IP address that it is using, and if you want to look at the install log, everything is accessible in etc/Pi-hole. The web admin interface is located here, and the login password is this temporary password here. So we're going to pull up a web browser, and we're going to go to the IP, so http://192.168.2.101/admin. And you can see here the freshly installed Pi-hole web admin interface. To log in, on the left hand side, you click login and paste in that temporary password that is provided for you. Now this is the web admin interface for Pi-hole.
Okay, so after we install the Pi-hole, you can see here this is the Pi-hole's interface, and then we're going to show you a demo of how Pi-hole works. As you can see here, this is a regular website that you would go to, like a kind of like a blog. This is for Python tips. You can see here there are many advertisements from the very top, left, and then at the bottom, all over the place. And then I would enable Pi-hole. Okay, and you guys will see the magic of Pi-hole here. And then I have a new browser open over here, and then this is the in real time that Pi-hole is enabled. Just go to that page. Okay. Okay, and you can see here it's grayed out. The advertisements are no longer there. And then you can safely browse your web without any distractions from the advertisements. Okay, so that's the magic of Pi-hole.